Webco Chemical is a major contract manufacturer and packager of liquid and powdered products for industrial, agricultural, and household applications. Products in powder form are blended in individual batches up to multi-batch production runs. To meet increased demand, the company replaced its aging blenders with two Munson Model HD36 stainless steel heavy-duty ribbon blenders. With a combined capacity of 100,000 pounds or 45,000 kilograms per shift. One blender feeds a semi-automatic filling machine for small containers, while the other discharges directly into fiberboard drums or bulk packs. Efficient blending is essential since bulk densities of the powders vary widely and because some ingredients comprise only 1/20th of 1% of any given batch. Primary bulk materials stored in silos are conveyed to a weighing system and then added to the blenders, while minor ingredients supplied in small bags are added manually by weight. Residual material following discharge is minimal due to tight tolerances between the ribbon blades and the blender wall, reducing cleaning time. At the end of a production run, operators sweep out residual powder and scrape the interior with a plastic blade before power washing, all of which takes about 30 minutes. The ribbon blenders were available with internal spray lines for introducing liquids, but Webco opts to add liquids manually, eliminating the need to clean spray lines during frequent changeovers. President Mark Pugliafico expects both blenders to remain at the heart of the business for at least the next 50 years. Munson manufactures 7 types of bulk solids mixing and blending equipment and 8 types of size reduction equipment, satisfying virtually any food, nutraceutical, pharmaceutical, or industrial application. For information, go to munsonmachinery.com.